back to Home Base. It's your girl Anya Havita, and I am back with another hair video. We'll be getting into this gorgeous girl. As always, the hair will be linked down below, but before we get into the video, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Join the army. What are you waiting for? Give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out and lets me know how y'all are feeling about the video. And speaking of that, meet me in the comments to let me know how you are feeling about this unit. Okay, so this is the Sensational Bites HD Lace unit, unit 8. I got the color Chunky Highlight 30. It says HD Lace pre-plucked hairline with baby hairs. Let's unbox her, shall we? Okay, so this is fresh out the box. She's really long. I feel like nobody really does synthetic better than Sensational. Personal opinion. So this is her. Really pretty, a few highlights, really long. This is the cap construction. A little bit deep part, combs, just a little bit of lace, just enough to, you know, have some edges, lace some baby hair. She's really pretty. This is her calling card. The curls are so pretty. I love that. As far as I can tell, not too much plucking is needed. It is a synthetic unit, so the hairline is just going to be thicker than natural always. But it comes pretty well pre-plucked. It looks pretty good. I'm still going to do just a little bit of plucking, and then I am going to go in with my Fenty Beauty on the bottom and my LA Girl Pro Conceal on the top. So that is what it's looking like on the bottom. Top. Alright, now I'm going in to put my wig cap on. I'm just going to take this off. I've already done my braid down. Now I'm just going in with my Eben New York Wonder Lace Bond Spray. Mainly because I don't know where my got-to-be glue is at this present moment. I am going in with this Dr. Bond Super Ultra Glue Invisible Bonding for Lace Front Wigs. I just got this from the beauty supply store. So we're just gonna do the dot method. And then I'm just gonna use the back of my edge brush and paint it in. Not paint it in, but push it back. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on. The glue is tacky. I'm not gonna put the two combs in the front, but I am gonna use the comb in the back. Alright. This is how she looks. She is very long, very pretty. Let's check.
So this is the final look, y'all. Let me know how you're feeling about her. She is gorgeous. She's one of my favorite synthetic wigs I have ever bought. She is linked down below, so get you one. As always, I have a lot more coming you don't want to miss. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Meet me in the comments and click the bell so you get notifications when I upload. I'll see y'all next time.